Hey guys, this time I'm gonna try Burrows. So I recently got this one and not my favorite kind of DD because the concealment is so high. It has 6.5 kilometers. So it won't really be the point ship because you're gonna get spotted by everything, it feels like, depending on who you meet, of course. Um, Damages from the main guns, of course, is pretty decent. You have one torp barrage, 5 torpedoes in total. Pretty fast reload, 80 seconds. So that's okay. Uh, Pretty decent anti-air. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Equipment-wise, I went for faster reload instead of longer range. And the basic ones, of course. So you have SAP or HE shells, which is quite nice. Commander-wise, kind of the same regular picks from my side, plus grease the gears, so a bit faster turret rotation. So it's down to 14.4 now, at least. Yeah, I've got to say about the consumables, have the unique smoke generator, so you activate it and it keeps burning until you shut it off. And I think you can shut it off after 20 seconds. Yeah, let's give it a not the best matchmaking in my opinion. We have quite a few destroyers and sub with really low concealment compared to my 6.5. We have 2 radars. We have Malta. And since we have CV, there's no point in going B. And let's hope that our CV can spot them if they go there. So I might as well head to A and help out west side, I guess. And I hope that Balau and Jager could spot while I sit in my smoke and fire my guns or something like that. We can't really take point because they will spot me. Alright, let's try out this AA then. And no.
Someone give me some bug spray.
Yeah, we'll get spotted first, so no point in me going into. Okay.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Are you serious? Come on, back. Whew,
Torpedoes to
that was
starboard.
close. Well, since everyone else left, might as well go in then. At least block the cap. I hope I make it at least.
Someone give me some bug spray.
And I didn't. Great. Okay, I'm gonna try to bait.
Can I get some help over here? Torpedoes, direct front. That should temporarily fix it forever. Torpedoes down our throat. Looks like I'm out of gas.
Really almost forgot to deactivate the smoke there.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes down our throat. Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes down our throat.
Come on. Well, I'm lucky today, it seems. That must have been Jäger that spotted me there.
Someone give me some bug spray. Torpedoes down our throat. Torpedoes to, the left? Time to roast some nuts.
Yeah, might as well push Jäger then, since we can spot him now.
You get a present, you get a present, you all get presents.
Now that's how it's done. You should be thanking me. Enemy carrier decided to show its face. Pathetic.
I'm gonna have to help Jäger.
Fast.
You get a present, you all get presents.
Torpedoes to, the left? An enemy cruiser decided to join the party.
Oh, here comes the radar.
Looks like I'm out of gas. Time to get out and push. That should temporarily fix it forever.
Right, at least I know that Annapolis don't have radar anymore. So that's good. Oh, okay. Yeah, I felt useless this match. Yeah, that wasn't my best performance. But then again, it's not really the ship for me. That's my issue with Halland there. Like with his 6 kilometers concealment, he can spot me anytime. And yeah, he didn't have the best support, so I might have been able to push him, but still, it's still an issue. Um, Other than that, it's a great gunship as long as you have support with you, like with the Jäger on my team. Like if he had spotted Holland and I could shoot at him, that would be like the perfect scenario. But still, the concealment is a bit too high for my taste. Um, Torpedoes, decent. Since 80 seconds reload time and 10.5 kilometers. Can't really complain of that. The AA is pretty good, even though it doesn't really matter much. So yeah, but for those who can and want to play these big DDs, it was a really decent one. So, but yeah, not for me. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.